All right, picking up at part 2. Let's go. Find the total distance by drawing and finding the shorter jumps to the nearest integers. Okay. What's the distance between 7 and 1/3 and 12? So we have 2/3 to get to the next whole number. Yeah, they almost got me. And then I have 4 to get to those. So this is 4 and 2/3. This, my closest integer is 5. Negative 2 to 5 is 7. And then I need that 3/8, which would be 7 and 3/8. Please attempt the questions before you check my work. Also notice all my boxes are filled and my answer is on the blank. What's the total distance between? So my nearest integer would be -2. This is 3, and then that would be 1/4. So this is 3 and 1/4. So my nearest integer, what's the distance between 12 and 1/4? So my nearest is 2. So this is 12. My distance is 10. This would be 1/5. So this is 10 and 1/5. What's the distance between -3 and 2/3 and -9? So that's -9 over here. This would be -4 because negatives count down. To get here, you need 1/3, and to get here, you need 5. Notice I don't have boxes for these, but I still put these because this is how I understand the question. Do what you need to make sure you understand the question. So this is 5 and 1/3. So if that's, what's the distance between 5 and 3/5 and 10 and 1/5? So my next integer would be 6. My last integer would be 10. Yeah, I almost put 9, but I didn't. So this is going to be 2/5. This is going to be 1/5. And then that's going to be 4. So this is going to be 4 and 3/5. 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that's 1. That's a half. So that's 1 split between 3. So that's 1 divided by 3. I love marbles. So this is 6, 6, 3, 3. Can't do this because I don't know how much that heart is. It could be 1, it could be 100. I don't know. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. If this is 1, that has to be 2. Let's go. So if this is 2 and 2, together those are 4. So I only have 2 left. 1 on each side, 1 on each side, 1 divided by 2. Let's go, let's go. Ham sandwich. So if this is the distance apart, so that's 1 3/4 apart. So this has to be 1 3/4 apart. So -2 would be 8. 3/4 would be 1/4, I think, because 0 plus 10 is 10. 1 plus 8 is 9. 3/4 plus another 4th would be 1. Yeah, boy. Circle the sums that total 10. 3 plus 6 is 9, and the halves get me 1. 7 plus 2 is 9, but 1/3 get me 2/3. 8 plus 1 is 9, and then my fifths add up. 4 plus 5 is 9, and my sixths add up. 2 plus 8 is already 10. Anything more is wrong. 3 plus 6 is 9, and my fifths add up. 1 plus 9 is 10, and anything else would be too much. 4 plus 6 is 10, and anything else would be too much. 9 plus nothing is 9, and my thirds add up. Let's go! Make sure you do your stuff to make you think, tough stuff, and your additional practice is your quiz. Let's go, Truman.